Fancy Car Wraps in Marrickville just gave me a call to say that our special car that we dropped off last week is finished. Full body PPF. They said come over, swap it with your Ferrari 488 Pista Spider, which is what we're sat in right now. So we're going to get over there and show you guys how PPF is applied to cars like this. Let's get there.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
The Ferrari F8 Spider. Now it's finished its full body PPF at Fancee Wraps. What we're doing is swapping it with the Ferrari 488 Pista, which is actually going to get a full body wrap right here, right now. I'm about to get terrified right now. Leanne is going to purposely scratch my car, and we're going to see the healing abilities of this new film. So over to you, Leanne.
Put some elbow grease in there.
Oh my God, I can actually hear that.
Have some faith, Lee, have some faith.
Okay, if the car wasn't wrapped, right now the paint would have been gone. Clear coat would have been damaged. And now it self-heals with just a heat gun, nothing else.
When the sunrise, when the sun
Wait, we've got something for you guys, our viewers. PPF wrap, color protection, color wrap, whatever you want. Chrome your car. $500 off when you mention you've seen this episode on Supercar Advocates and come here to Fancee Wraps and see Leanne. How good is that, guys?
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.